What's good, everybody, bro? I know. I'm sorry. I'm real sorry, man. It's been too long. And I know I say this all the time, but I just be busy, bro. I'm sorry, but I ain't post really all summer, I don't think. And I really wanted to, but, I had school. I took summer classes, and, of course, school started right back up. But I could not forget about y'all, so I have a very, 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 very special video for y'all, man. So, I always be knowing about the new releases of food that's coming around. I'll be checking them out. But I got a notification about a certain arrival, about something special that came in Taco Bell. And y'all know the whole chicken sandwich war and all that shit, and with like Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, KFC, McDonald's, like every food place is making chicken sandwiches at this point. But Taco Bell decided to show out too. And by the way, this was a members exclusive. This not even out yet. It's not even out yet, for real. This is only for members only. I'm a member exclusive at Taco Bell, so I of course am able to get this member exclusive. So yeah, these niggas right here, these dudes at Taco Bell really decided to make a chicken sandwich taco. And that may not sound right, but it's always okay to check it out. So I decided to get the spicy and the classic. I can't tell which one's which. Oh my goodness, what? Wait, what? Which one is which? I don't know which one is which. I don't even think there is a difference. Well, whatever. This is what we're working with right here. This is what we're working with right here. Spicy chicken sandwich taco. Got the regular chicken. And it seems like, I think it's a chipotle sauce on a flatbread. I'm not a big fan of their flatbread here at Taco Bell. I'm gonna say Chipotle. But here's what we're gonna do. I think these are both the same. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this one. I made sure it got some hot sauce. So I'm gonna put hot sauce on one. And I guess, let's just say it counts as a spicy chicken sandwich. So this one right here. I got a second one. I got a second one. I'll put the spicy sauce, hot sauce on it. Make a mess of my car. But yeah, this is, I guess, let's just say mild. This is Chipotle sauce. So Taco Bell chicken sandwich taco. Here we go. I didn't get a bev. I think I'm gonna need a bev, but what it reminds me of? This reminds me of that like them Tyson chicken, like them nuggets or the tenders that they be having in the packages. They just put in the oven. This is exactly what this reminds me of, which isn't too bad, but surprisingly the flatbread isn't that bad either, because I remember last time I had the flatbread I did not enjoy this, but it's toasted real well while also still soft. That chipotle sauce, it really do hit. Got that really nice spice to it. The chicken, it's not bad. It just tastes, it got that little crispiness to it. Not all that flavorful, but the chipotle sauce definitely do help. But let me try the, I guess you could say, spicy chicken sandwich taco. They could have put like at least like some lettuce, cheese, or something else on it. It's just, and this young small, it's like a kid's meal type thing. But just spicy, I guess. Same thing. It's like that spicy school lunch Tyson chicken type thing. Or like a Lunchables flatbread where you make the pizza. That's literally what it looked like, bro. But the only good thing about this was only $1.50 each. So if you want a little spicy chicken snack for your dog or some shit, come get this right here, because this ain't really nothing. Ain't really nothing special. But overall, I'll probably give this, it hits though. You probably gotta be like starving for it to hit. I ain't terrible. I'll give it a solid 6.5 out of 10. Ain't too bad. Definitely could be better. If it was bigger than that, you just throw on some lettuce, diced tomatoes, some cheese on this, it'd probably be like a 7.5. Maybe an 8. Maybe if it was like bigger, maybe an 8. Overall, ain't too bad. Bye, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed. I will try to upload as much as possible throughout this upcoming semester. It's gonna be busy. I will try not to forget about y'all. So, thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all next time. Be easy.